I would like to I would like to produce cloth which is used in daily life. Among that, I want to purchase raw material like as cotton, and I would like to export, or I would like to produce a cloth from purchasing that from farmers and I would like to put sales exports of tobacco and cotton by putting an industry.
Different activities you want to do?
No, I would like to go with cotton and tobacco.
See, the situation makes the people to force to go into the career. See, some people coming forward. See, nobody is master by birth, basically. You can take anybody. Even you can take role model, your own promoter, Love Ratay Garu. When we are studying, only two, this one is Vignan and Ravi. Vignan means engineering, Ravi means medical. In Guntur, this is the only message. What happened to Vignan today? What happened to Ravi today? Vignan came to the level of university, Ravi is no more. Why? You just think over it. Then, like that, I am also starting my career from agriculture background. Of course, up to degree Telugu medium, by going PhD in Chirala, I had done my post-graduation. But after finishing my post-graduation, I couldn't even speak 4 words of English. The first time when I got to the shipping, that I don't know what my captain is talking. His accent is different. If you are not coming forward bold enough, tomorrow it's very difficult for you to face the interviews. Even tomorrow you want to go for US, for your careers, you want to go something else, they will ask you in the interview itself. You don't know what he is talking, but she or he may be talking the same English, but gap is so much. Because basically we are from the village background. Like me, you also came from village background, I can say 90% here. But never feel shy. You try to learn something. As long as you try to learn something, then only you come up in the life. If you feel it is impossible, in the diary, when Reliance Ambani started his career, he is not a big man. He started from scratch. He used to share his small room with one of his uncle. Then accordingly he started his career. Now we can understand what is his position in India today. Like that, see, if you have the willpower, nobody can stop you. Willpower, vision. Never bother what your colleagues may say. Somebody may say, okay, when we are studying, somebody say you want to become SI. People used to laugh. Somebody say you want to become a banker. People used to laugh. There is no need to be like that. Everybody must have your own individuality, your own vision. Otherwise, why you are studying here? You are studying here. You want to do something. See, if Ratay Garu also think like that. Today this Vignan University is not here. So many people, he has giving employment to so many people, whether it may be Visakhapatnam, it may be Vizag, it may be somewhere else. How it is happening? Because the entrepreneur quality. That quality will come. The entrepreneur is the man who takes the calculated risk. If you take the calculated risk, then only reward will be there. No risk, there is no reward in this life. According to me, some people want to do the job. I think when other people, whoever is coming up, say that we want to do something as an entrepreneur, I really appreciate them. You are the people who are the guts in the market. It's only not speaking here. You must really prove in the society you can do. When you can do, even you can take Grandi Subbarao Garu from Chelgalur by this one Guntur, and crane nut powder. Where he started his career? He started his career by selling the same 2 paise, 3 paise crane nut powder packets by cycle. Even the great leader like Ramajura Garu, he started his career with starting pickles. Pickles, now I can say 90% of the girls know how to manufacture pickles, how to prepare pickles. Even the gunpowder, you know how to make it. In your own kitchen, you are making it. See, the same product, if you want to export, he started his career like that. Today, very easy. Because nowhere in India, even the Hollywood level, he brought the film city. For that, one must need to have the gut feeling, vision. When he has the vision and gut feeling and work hard, he has to do the hard work. Nothing is going to happen just like that. I also can say so many things. I want to be a market leader. I have not become a market leader just like that. We have become a market leader by sacrificing so many things in the career. When I am working in Bini up to 98, my boss used to tell me, when I want to leave the company, Rao, if you are interested to work 16 hours a day, mind it, 16 hours a day, then only you will be successful in the career. Otherwise, do your job. Fine, I am getting, on the day itself, I am getting 1 lakh opportunity. About 15 years back, in 98 when I am this one. Then I told him, sir, I want to take a risk. I said, okay, take a risk. Many people in this hall may think that we need a lot of money to do business. There is no need to do a lot of money. You must have your willpower, vision, which sector you are trying to take as a lead. When somebody can become leader, why not you? You can take even today, Magdasi, Saleja. Many people girls might have seen her interview. Whether you have gone her interview? In Inadu? How many hours she is working? 16 hours a day she is working. A girl is working for 16 hours a day. Why not you work 16 hours a day? See, when we come into society, anyone has to die. Before you die, you think over what you are going to give this society. God has given an opportunity for you as a human being. This is when compared to so many things, this is a better life for us. Before we leave this world, contribute something for the growth, positive growth of the society and get out on the system. Why people are still we remember people like Mahatma Gandhi and great leaders like Jamshedji Tata and all these things. Tatas, they are the pioneers in the Indian industry. They are the people who are doing their business with some ethics, character and moral. How many of you other people doing? When compared to Tatas, I can say it's very difficult to compare anybody by side of Tatas. Before that, whatever you want to do, according to me, the human life will be divided into 4 pieces, 4 parts I can say. 0 to 25 is the stage where you all people are the learning age. You never make anything, you never contribute anything to the family. You take money from your parents and your relatives, friends. You are trying to do something. This is the stage when you have the opportunity, learn. When you have the better library, you think over how many people are using the library in the best way. Because management already provide everything there. This is up to you to prove. Because when we are studying, everybody one day, somebody asked in the class, sir, how Samba Sero you are giving more marks? I also written the same question. He asked other guy, how many pages you have written? Sir, I have written 2 pages. When postgraduate is there, 2 pages he is writing. And the same this one. When we write minimum 25 pages a question. How we are able to write? He say only one thing. Because we read 3-4 books, 3-4 others, they give different quotations. We quote all different quotations. Because when you are a master, you can't say in 1 page you must get all the marks. Nobody is going to give marks for 1 page. So when you have to learn and study well in different angles, different books, different media, we can compare to us, you people are lucky enough. Today you go for internet, you browse all over the world, you get Italy in your hand. Only thing, you need to have the time, vision, and you must have the priority for it. Next, second is 25 to 45. This is a crucial age for anyone to come up in the life. If you are really interested to come up in the life, yes, this is the age you have to do hard work. Whether you do business or you do service. You can take people like Satya Nadella, how he become CEO of the company, how much he drawing. Because he is also came up in a different style. He is also doing hard work, vision, getting the latest technology, updating the informations, and commitment to the organization, goal to the organization. All these things are important. Many people are here. I want to tell, I can say 95% people want to do the job. Where the people are there to give the jobs for you, first of all. Second, when you are working, what is your aim with your management? My only request to all of you who want to do service, first of all, you have to face the interview. You must get good marks. You must have a pleasing mentality, personality, your speaking abilities, and all these things matters. Nobody is going to select you just like that. Okay, somebody by recommendation, they may give you the job. They can give you the job. Afterwards, your performance, your promotions, everything depend upon your capacity caliber. If you are not having the capacity caliber, you will be pushed away. Today, how Sir has become a VC, he is not related to Rathe Garu because he had the capacity caliber, he came to this position. Like that, On your, see, not anybody's mercy. On your merit, you must come up in the life. When you feel you are coming up in your merit, yes, nobody can touch you. If not this company, some other company. Because you must have your willpower. When I am working in my first company called Gordon Woodruff, I got permanent job. Somebody told me, why you are leaving the other company? Because already you are permanent employee here. I said, according to me, no, nothing is permanent. Today we are in this company, tomorrow we'll go somewhere else where we get the better opportunity. When you are going to better opportunity, don't ditch the company and go just like that. Hand over everything properly to the employee, there's some top management or maybe a colleagues, give proper notice to them, then go out from the company. The moment you go out from the company, never abuse this company. Many people, 90%, they will always say bad about the company. There is no need for you to say no, because till that time you are getting bread and butter from that organization. You remember first. When you are getting bread and butter from the organization, see, that's up to you. If you have capacity caliber, nobody can stop you in this world. You go anywhere in the world, now competition is not only Andhra Pradesh, all over the world you can go and get your opportunities and get your promotions, get anywhere. Why our people are there in Dubai and other places? They are there because they want to go there, they want to make more money. They got the opportunities, they are using it. No opportunity will come to your doorstep. You must wait for the opportunity, you must search for the opportunity. Then go for there and prove your mettle. Yes, you are the best product of Vignan University. When you prove your mettle, everybody understand. The basic thing is discipline in the life. You must have your own, when you are going to the office, be punctual about the time. First of all, time management. If you cannot manage the time management, you can't manage anything in this world. You are failure everywhere. So like that, working in the company itself, you can always try for a better things. Then, what are the best opportunities? Always never see about, see somebody, how somebody is getting the promotion. Don't bother. You always prove your mettle. If not today, tomorrow, you also get your turn. You also get your promotion. See how Tata's, like Birla's and Reliance companies are running. They are running with the professionals like you. Work like a professional. When you are working like a professional, you must have your own characters. Your matters, your behavior matters, your character matters, everything matters. Your knowledge matters, your outlook as a team leader, all these things matter. When you can take over as a team leader, then only people accept you. If you are working alone, you will never be treated as a team leader. So no management will give you the importance for you in your life. So when you are able to work as a good team leader, yes, they say he or she is a leader, they promote you as a number one. Even today Rathay Garu is sitting here, he is not sitting in Vizag, he has appointed CEO. Why appoint a CEO there? He want to do the professionalism, he want to handle the professionals by giving the guidelines what management wants. In the same time, when you are working with a company, always what you are doing the job, see, inform your top management. Many people in the name of professionalism, they never inform anything. The management, the message has to go from top to bottom, bottom to top. Like a military command, it has to come. Then only, if you know, if you are coming and doing the work, even when I am working in Gordon Woodruff also, I used to come to the office after 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, I used to go. I never inform my boss. After 2 years, I understand I am doing something wrong. One of my friend told me, Rabbi, be touch with the boss. That day onwards, every day I am going and speaking to my boss, sir, what I have done, what I am going to do tomorrow. Then if anything is there, he used to inform me, Rao, let us do like this. Like that, we used to get the goodwill with the top management. Because we are doing the same job. If you are not informing, your own colleagues will say, no, he is polishing, don't go there. All wrong. Whatever you are doing the job, proper job, you inform the top management. Let your team leader appreciate your job. Automatically he can take to the top management. When you want a promotion, when you want the increments, all these things matters for you. Even if you are good enough, then they will recommend, okay, so-and-so reference, you may be good person. Like that, always you must have your own recognition in the management, wherever you are working. Then, this 25 to 45, even the business people also, they have to do the hard work, because after 45, it's very difficult. Then 45 to 65, the age, basically, this is the age of, we can say, a dog age. What a dog will do? Somebody come to the house, dog will bark. The moment owner come, dog stops barking. Like that, after 55, what you are going to do? Yes, only do that. Hand over the baton to next generation. Suppose I am there, I will simply hand over the baton to my children. They have to run the system. because I am in the third age. It's like that. So somebody may think I want to work 60 years, 70 years. 70 years, 60 years, whatever working you are doing is not the right way of working. Then after 65 years, what is the age? There is the next last age. They call old. What old will do? Sitting on top of the tree, it's only looking the matter. She never cry anything, she never do anything, she never communicate anything. After 65 years, everybody's life is like that only. So don't think today I'm not doing, I will do after 65. You can't do anything after 65. Forget it. So like this, you are in the first stage, aim for the second stage, second lap in the right direction. Whoever wants to, some people want to come there, they want to do event management. That's a good business. With less profit, with less investment, you make more profit. Only thing to be a event management. Whether you have done any events, ma? You told me that you want to do event. In your house, are you attended any events? Any marriage functions? You take, as a leader, you take the entire event into your control. Even the marriage, you have to arrange so many things. Fixing the match between the bride and bridegroom, then going for the distribution of the selection of the cards, all the cards, all the cards, how to distribute to the people to whom you have to inform. Then again the arranging the halls, arrangement of say musical party, arrangement of food and all these things, how logistics makes. Like this, if once you do in your own house, you need not do somewhere else. You understand how important, how many people you have to liaison. People are ready to pay money. If you are late, nobody is going to make payment. If your food department, if they are not doing the right job, you will not get your payment. The cooks and all these things, you must monitor them, you must be in touch with them. Like that, when someone has to do, he has to do a lot of work. This is the small work in your house. Always if you can do, you come up in the life in a different way. You understand how important, because there itself you have to do 10 department, 10 to 15 department, 10 to 15 authorities you have to liaison. Even when you have to do the business also, business is not just like that. It will not happen. When people like us, when you start the business, we started nothing. My parents are in this agriculture family like many of you. We are not having any money. My parents are not given 1 rupee. My in-laws are not given 1 rupee. Everything is my own. Whatever the savings I have, 5 lakh rupees, I start my career in shipping industry by starting one warehouse, 7,200 SFT. When I want to do business, I gone for study research. Where the loopholes are there in the system? Where the opportunities are there in the system? What are the growth opportunities? When you see the growth opportunities, I selected logistics sector, especially warehousing sector. When you are going for the warehousing sector, where initially is only 7,200 SFT, we thought whether business is there or not. Then I gone for expand another 7,200 SFT. Then we gone for 25,000 SFT, then 50,000, then 1 lakh. Like that, today we become the market leader in Vizag by having 10 lakh SFT and 250 acres land bank in the city itself. Why all these things are happening? Why people like third generation people are there in the line? They couldn't do. Because after 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, they used to go for the clubs. We never go for the clubs. Up to 9:30, 10 o'clock, we sit in the office. See the second shift position, give the planning for third shift, then only we leave for the... Then we want to start enjoying all the life. When you want to achieve something, you have to forego something. Then you decide what you want to achieve, what you want to forego. Both the things cannot. You want to have happiness, you want to make money, both never come. Even you can take even Reliance. When they go to even Delhi, they never stay in Delhi. Overnight they come back to Bombay. Why? If they're sitting in Delhi, okay, they also can enjoy the life. If you are starting there, because we have only 24 hours a day. When 24 hours a day, what you can do, hardly 16 to 18 hours a day, you can work hard, not more than that. When you are mentally prepared to work 16 hours a day, you are the leader. You take any sector. Same sector, you can see the people, who are the failure people, who are the successful people. Why they are successful, you analyze. Why they are failure, you analyze. Some people, the moment they make money, they thought, okay, they came to one level. They are not bothered what is happening back. Even today, wherever we are, we take each shift position, what is happening in the port, what is happening in the warehouse. Because of Hudhud cyclone in Visakhapatnam, I can tell you a small example. Everybody wants the same labor. Where the labor is available, labor is not available. Because that is the reason they couldn't even, many people couldn't even start the warehouses repairing. But more than 50% of my warehouse got repaired because I also the people from Chalkalurpeta, Guntur, Elur, Nidavolu. Why? You have to see wherever the people are available, you have to bring them. So you must, the leader makes the things, the same thing leader makes, but he makes in a different way. When you make the things in a different way, then you are the successful leader. Otherwise, nobody is going to recognize you. Your results only recognize you end of the day. Then when you want to do business, first dream what you want to do. When you want to dream big. Then when you want to do, the dream is there, then have a big dream, big aim, and try to achieve the big one. If you are big, then only people recognize you in this area. Otherwise, nobody is going to recognize you. Your item must be there on the newspaper about you, a role model. How it will happen? You must achieve something in the life. Have first a target. For dreaming, you are not. There is no need for you to spend any money. A dream first. If you are not having any dream, without any direction, without any vision, without any goal, you can't achieve anything in this life, in this world. Have goal. See, set goal for you want to be IAS officer. Whether you can be IAS or not, we can be IRS or something like that. To become IAS officer, you must do hard work minimum 16 hours a day. If you are interested to do hard work, then only have that gain. Then work in the same direction, definitely you can achieve something. Then when you want to start the business, the first management is the time management. Nothing will wait for you in this world. Even somebody say the airport, the flight is 10 o'clock, you go 10:05, the flight will go. Even the train in the railway station, if you want to go, it is leaving at 5 o'clock. 5 minutes delay, no excuse, it will go. Always 10 minutes before of the schedules. A small example I can tell you. When I am working the ship, I invited one of the ship captain at the dinner. I told him, Captain, I'll come at 8 o'clock. I have gone to the ship at 8:10. He changed the shirt and everything. He is in a casuals. He told me, Rao, now my time is 8:10. He told me, 8:10, sorry, no more dinner. I requested like anything. He said, sorry, there's a big lesson for me, how to follow the timing. So he said very clearly, let us have dinner in the ship itself, not outside. Because we told 8 o'clock, you are not coming at 8 o'clock, sorry. Even you can see many of the exams, they say they close the gate. So if you are 10 minutes ahead, everything is in control. If you are 10 minutes delay, you have to beg you have to touch everybody's feet. Sir, is it necessary? Be 10 minutes ahead. Then when you are doing the business, always try to do the business in international standard. Don't think the market is only Guntur market or Vijayawada market. You think the market, first you like people like Haldirams, I think everybody knows from Nagpur, what they do. What you people know it. All the sweets, namkins and everything they manufacture. You also can manufacture the same. Where they are today, they are exporting that product all over the world. See which way you are inferior when compared to them. You also can come up in the life. Only thing you need to have that commitment. What they do? Quality management. They do the best quality management. They never compromise the quality. Some people today, one lot they do best. Afterwards, they are not bothered about the quality. Second time, nobody see your product. You have the clear vision about the quality management, quality principles. Yes, you are definitely a successful leader. When you want to do the business also, you develop a good team along with you. Because business will not happen with one person. Business is going to happen along with your team. You have a positive team, good team, definitely you can come up in the life in a positive way. Then, not only that, when you are selecting the products, like people like, you can say, whoever is there in Saravana Bhavan in Chennai, where they are today, what they are selling? Who are Saravana Bhavan selling, what they are selling? Food, idli dosa. Everybody knows how to make idli dosa. Why they are going abroad? They are in Singapore, they are in US, they are in UK, they are in America, everywhere. Why? They are selling the product as per the standards. Why I am telling all these things? Many people may think in this office, many girls will not raise the hand, they may thinking business means a lot of money is required. No, there is no need to have a lot of money. As long as you have the goodwill. When someone can go by selling idli, dosa, vada, why not you sell it? You create your own brand name. Be a leader. When you create your own brand name, definitely, always people will come into the light. It's a matter of goodwill. Why people are purchasing so-and-so brand? People say ITC, oh, Tata is good. Why it is good? The same, he is not the manufacturer, he is not the farmer. He also collect everybody from the same mandis and he is also bring the material there. But in the quality, selection of material, they takes more precaution. They never compromise. If they want to charge, they charge 1 rupee more, but they never charge less. In pens like Reynolds, why Parker, why they are famous, why many people are not successful? The reason they are maintaining the quality. Even you can see in this area, lot of vegetables are growing. Why not you export the same vegetables? If you go for organic vegetables, if you go for the fruits, whatever fruits you are having, if you go with organic, you can have a better brand name for that and sell in the market. Even the rice in the international market, if it is organic rice, people are ready to pay the premium for it. See your own, you can see the fields nearby. Same vegetables people are growing here. Only thing it needs better presentation. When you make presentation in a right way, make truthful presentation by using all fertilizers, pesticides, don't say the organic. If not today, tomorrow people are there to catch you. So like that, whatever you want to do, there are opportunities for you to export the material. Even if not today, tomorrow, from Vijayawada also, international flights are going to come. Even otherwise, they are having the connectivity from Vijayawada to Hyderabad or maybe to Chennai. They have the connectivity. Anywhere in the world, you can export the material. You can make money in the life. See, end of the day, dollar versus rupee. What is that you are going to make? Dollar is more powerful in the life. So, when you want to do the business, always your competitors are there. They are trying to see that you will be failure in the business. They try to sell, encourage all the entrepreneurs, all your they make a complaint to the income tax wala, sale tax wala, PF, all the authorities on you. Be careful. When you are doing business, keep your records intact. Whatever you have to pay to the department, pay honestly. Okay, no doubt, in a country like India, corruption is there. See, as long as the needy corruption, greedy corruption, two ways of corruption in the system. As long as needy corruption, people are agreeing, greedy corruption, people are not agreeing. That is the reason if they go to the ACB or CBI, riots are happening just because of that. So, when you are working for it, when you are having a strong, this one, when you have a good product, when you have a strong team, when you are maintaining the proper quality about that, when you are aiming for the international market, yes, why not? Definitely you can be a successful leader. See, a small example I can tell you. The reason some people are failure in the business, because they will not do the proper homework on it. They will not visualize the things, what is the future goal. When the business, when you are doing, you must do a business. First of all, you think all pan-India, see, first of all, start with the local level, then go to pan-India level, then go to the all over the world. When you are going for the world market, this is the people like you, somebody say you want to purchase the clothes, they say cotton mills are here. Then you can see whatever Park Avenue and all these things, whatever the brand names, big brand names, you know the basic cost of the shirt, it's only 1/3. It's maybe 30 rupees, 70 rupees is the profit in between. Why people like Amazon and Flipkart are successful? Because they could able to reduce the profit margins. All the middleman profits they are going to reduce, they are going to directly deliver. If that type of e-commerce, when you want to do business, always use the latest technology in the system. See how people are trying to cheat you. Suppose previously if you go to any hotel, that fellow used to cry, this is the order. Now there is no need to cry. He simply note down on his this one pocket machine, automatically this machine repeat the order to the kitchen. Like that in your system also, how many people are working, what time they are coming to the office, what time they are going, what is their contribution. Like that, when you are doing the business, you must have the yearly target, first of all. Then you must have the quarterly target, monthly target, every day. Every day you must have the review in the organization, what is happening. If you are not doing the review, end of the day, you can't achieve anything. Something going wrong today, if you can rectify. After 3 months you are seeing, this is only post-mortem job what you are going to do. Never do the post-mortem job. Have a everyday review. If it is any mistake, that the same day you rectify it. When you can able to rectify, you can get the benefit from the system. Like this, a small example I can tell you the reason. If somebody wants to start a business, why they is failure? If you are going on the beach, what you are going to see on the beach sand? You can see shells. If you kill the shells also, small shells you can see in the sand. Even the shells, you can sell it, you can make money. If you want to do little bit more, go into the sea with a small country boat, with a net and all these things. What is that you are going to get? Fish, good. Then you take even next mechanized boat. You go in deep water. What is that you want to get? Prawns, good. If you want to go even deeper, you want to see the end of the bottom. What is that you are going to see? Barrels. Then oil exploration sector, you can know where the oil available or not. The same 4 people doing the same business. Everybody is a businessman. One man is a businessman, he is only roaming on the sand on the seaside. Another fellow, small businessman, he is going with a small country boat. Another man going with a big trawler, going inside. Another man going even a deep sea vessel, again with all the full equipment, infrastructure, is going to the sea and touching the sea. Then who is going to get the better result? Who is going to get the better result? The 4th person is going to get the better results. Because he get the valuables, he get the opportunity, you can see how much materialization, oil exploration sector activities are available, what is the ground soil condition. With the soil, as geologists can say what is available in that area. Perils he can get it. Like this, in the business also, you decide, don't be a number 1 man, be a number 4 man. When you people want to start the business, see the depth of the business, don't do just half business. Then one more example I can tell you, hard work. See the same, you can take one block, granite block. Somebody doing the more chiseling. Okay, 3 stones are there. Somebody do the first stone, less chiseling. He make it as a step. Number 1, he do little bit more chiseling. This first one will think, oh, that fellow is getting more hammer strokes. Then afterwards, that is going to become a pillar. If the third one is having more chillers, finally end of the day, that fellow is making it as a god. The god, that means whoever is working hard in the life, he become like God in the temple. Whoever do little bit work, he become a pillar. Whoever do less work, he become a step. Then you decide what you want to be. Like this, in the career, lot of opportunities are there. See, whatever your capacity caliber, then definitely you can come up in the life. On top of it, countries like India, there are a lot of challenges also. I will not say only some good things in the career, in the business. When you want to go for many people, when you start the business itself, next year itself, one income tax guy will come to you. He will say, bring that record, bring this record. Who has given the funds to you? Then you thought, why honestly I am doing business already, I am answerable to all these fellows. Your competitor only make a complaint against you. Tomorrow, yes, a fellow will come, Labrawala will come, he will ask you to do the records. On top of it, some of the employees who want to ditch you in the organization, they simply go out, leak all the information to other people. Be careful about them. Not only in countries like India, if somebody wants to kill you, one trade union leader is enough for you to kill you. He'll tell all the employees, oh, you can ask so much, you ask. This fellow will demand like anything. So end of the day, it's easy for you, but a trade union leader can make your business out. So what you have to do, you must always be in touch with the people, always be in touch with the management, this one, your employees, your leaders, then it will be easy for you to control the system. Like that. Not only that, when you are doing the business, when you want to go for a established unit, tomorrow one public hearing will be there. Some ruling party fellow will say yes, some opposition party fellow will say no to you. Anybody come across any of the public hearings? If you want to go for a big project, as per this one, a norm of the industries, you must go for the public hearing. So you will think, why we have to online like ragging? The college, the senior will rag you. Here ragging will be done by roadside fellow, 10th class failure fellow or 7th class failure fellow. A bloody politician will try to rag you. Is it necessary for you? A media fellow who is a local small contributor, he will try to work against you. One power plant in Srikakulam was stuck up just because of one cable TV operator. One cable TV operator, because his ego was not satisfied by the management. Because countries like India, you have a lot of problems. When you want to start the business, be careful about all these things. Think about the problems by taking proper caution, then only start the business. Don't start anything just like that. When you are aiming for the business, see your competitors. But never afraid about by seeing your competitor at all. When I started my company, my competitors are Central Warehousing Corporation, central government company. Concord is a central government company. Gateway District Park is a multinational company. I'm the small guy, and the gut feeling started the company. But end of the day, never bother about the competition. You do your perfect job. You do your better services to the customers. End of the day, you are a leader. Whenever any brand was promoted, it was not promoted from this one. It was promoted from the scratch with some values, some morals and ethics. Like that, in the career, I want all of you to come up in the life and start something for the progress of the country and give employment opportunities, not only employment opportunities as an entrepreneur, whatever you pay the taxes to all the department, maybe sales tax, service tax, income tax, provision tax, or you name any tax, you are the man who is paying for the country. You are the man for growth of this country. You are the contributor for the growth in the Indian economy. So like that, your role is more important. So my sincere request, whoever wants to come up in the life, never bothered, take it a challenge. Life is a challenge. Face it in the right direction and come up. Yes, the moment you come up, your name and fame will be there. When you are successful, the first happiest people are your parents. Second happiest people are your institution, your teachers, your lecturers, professors. They are the happiest people. They say, he is our product. So, opportunities are everywhere. Take in right direction and come up in the life. Prove that you can do something. Nothing is impossible in this world, according to me. You prove, end of the day, come up in the life. Then always be a role model to somebody. This is my sincere advice to all of you.